So speak life to the deadest, darkest night.
Okay, well today we have the Ecotec. This is the 2014 Chevy Cruze. These came in anywhere from '08 to about 2016. The Cruze, the tracks, and all that. This is the 1.4 liter, not the 1.6 or 8 or all the other ones, but the 1.4 liter. Now you wonder where the oil pressure sensor is. Well, a lot of people say that they are down there behind the compressor on the front side of the engine there, and you have to take everything off to get in there. Well, if you look down in there, there's nothing there. So I was like, okay, well, I couldn't find any information on it. There's one YouTuber that more of an entertainer than an auto mechanic, and he said, well, it's right up front here. I'm like, okay, well, I don't see it. So then I see this silver thing right there, and lo and behold, that's where it is. Well, as you can see there, the connectors come off. I already took this apart, so the other pieces there, so I got to put that all back together. And see, there's the oil pressure sensor right there, right in front. Real easy on these 1.4s. I already got it loosened up. I don't know if it's like a 21 or a 22 millimeter. You're going to need a deep socket to get it off, or a wrench if you can get it on there. So there's the old one. And I don't know if it's good or not, or if it's just a loose wire. We're getting all the bells and whistles in the car and everything freaking out. And I'm like, uh-oh. This is not my car, but the owner, it did run a little bit low on oil, about a quart. And I'm like, well, that shouldn't have been too much of an issue. So he has a sensor here. So that's what's going on there. It's probably the original OEM one. And so we will replace that. So you just put it back in there. And a little side bit, like I said, this is the engine restore. You can get this at Walmart. I'm sure there's other places. Now what I do, this is just a 4-cylinder engine. And to save some money, I got the 8-cylinder formula. Well, don't matter if it's 4 or 8 or whatever. All you do is just use a half a can of this when you change your engine oil. And the stuff really does work. I had one vehicle, it was a long time ago. It was a Plymouth Horizon. Oil pressure dropped down to nothing. So I put my half a can of that in there. It's like I said, you save money buying quantity. And I brought the oil pressure up. I tried a couple times putting other things in there, nothing. Put this in there and it worked great. So it's just something that I've been using. It's supposed to rejuvenate your engine and clean it up and all that. So I'll have to figure out a way to fix that. Maybe I could just snap that all together, or I'll have to get a new end there on it. I don't know. But so that's just where your oil pressure sensor is, and I hope this helps. Like, subscribe, and I will catch you on my next video. Thanks for watching.